So if you own a laptop and you own a smartphone in this modern day and age, and you're someone who's been saving make money online videos, you've been wondering, how can you get peace and more money? Because no one wants to talk about this, but the debate, split down the middle. The left side says people are getting lazy. Right side says, no, people just want to enjoy their life. And that's really it. People are waking up and getting out of the facade of let's go full head of steam. Let's work, and hope that our life gets better and better and better. And then you smacked with the economy, you smacked with a shutdown, you're smacked with inflation. And then you now, versus any other year, you realize we are not making enough. Rent is going up. So how do you fit in today's world? What has happened is technology has came out. We're in the future now. We always wonder, how would the future be? And how would the robots be? And it's pretty much AI. It's AI. It's monetizing the internet. Everything's digital. Every consumption, how we shop. Like I went to a mall the other day and I realized, whoa, I haven't been in a mall in like 5 years. This is weird. And then I realized there's less selections in the actual mall than online. So I'm almost like, besides the food and I guess the experience of getting out the house, I would not probably come here, to shop. We're in a digital space now. But when it comes to making money and selling stuff on the internet, if you type in how to make money on the internet, that's probably the worst keyword you can type into social media, because there's going to be a lot of polished guru style people trying to tell you these different side hustles. And long story short, you need a side hustle that you can invest into it and actually start implementing in it. You don't have to get rich overnight or in the next week, even the next 30 days, but you should have your thing online, fully operational and ready to go. You shouldn't be, this month you're just getting things moving. This month you're getting it kind of set up. This month, okay, you got it set up. Now how do I get money out of it? All of that should be included. Even longer story short, knowing your audience. That's knowing exactly who it is that wants what you have, that needs what you have. Most importantly, that is looking for what you have. They're saving the videos. They're doing work around that topic, that niche. For example, in the make money online space, there's people searching side hustles. There's people searching and saving content around starting a business, making more money, the economy being poor. They're fully into it. They're doing personal development. They're trying to get their mental health together. That's the audience. So what you do is you make content for the audience and you make sure that product gets them what they need. Now, if you take it a step further, specifically, let's talk about digital marketing. And digital marketing is a broad label of promoting things digitally on the internet. Specifically, we're going to be talking about affiliate offers, taking other people's products and making money from them without creating a product. Because creating a product day one, if you don't have a real super skill that's in demand, say banking, say accounting, say credit, if you don't have a skill like that people are jumping to get, you're going to flop trying to just come up with information, or like they say, go to AliExpress, grab a product and put it on Shopify, or go to Etsy, grab a digital product and put it on Stan Store, go over here and get a PLR product, go just resell any old course about a viral topic. That's the number one way to fail. So I took it a step further. So right now it's going to be 120 days of learning how to sell. I say sell anything, but I'm actually going to be talking about 5 core things on how to sell, right? And the first thing is selling subscription-based products that you don't have to create on the internet. And the reason why we went subscription-based is because I feel like if you start in the make money space in digital products or services, you should have something that has recurring income. Meaning, if you go get 5 customers and say that pays you $100, your goal is to keep those 5 customers, active, like Netflix keeps you active. So next month, you have $100 coming in. Next month after that, you have $100 coming in. So week by week, if I add 5 more customers, my income, it keeps going to the top and it keeps growing. You see, I'm not starting over in August from zero like in normal digital product sales. Now, when we get to the phase where we're creating our own products from the stuff we learned, yeah, some of them will be one time, but you're gonna always have subscriptions somewhere, whether it's a community, it's a service, or whether it's a product that you just charge monthly for, like it's a software or something. So that's the key: audience, recurring income, and last, we're gonna finish it on skill set. Skills is pretty much what everyone skips. Everyone came in the course boom, so they all kind of replicated each other with one specific content strategy that they didn't understand why it worked. See, when you don't understand why something works or why we do something, when it breaks or the algorithms change up, you're lost, completely lost, because you don't know why you were posting that 7-second video, that skyrockets retention because it's so short. That B-roll video because it's aesthetically pleasing. If I put the right text on it, it doesn't allow my audience to have to, watch a 60 second or 2 minute video from a person they don't really know, and they can get right to the information. And then you can perfect your skills. So you can perfect your hooks, you can perfect your content, and the more likes you get, the more comments, the more leads, I'm getting better and better at my verbiage, which it's usually called ad copy. So once you have that product, once you understand audience, the next is the more technical stuff, which is pretty much systems, setting up your website so you can capture leads. And so you build this database pretty much of people who are interested in that niche. And every time you switch a niche, you can create a new page or website, or what we call funnel, that brings that people in. So it can be sections. So you have your people who are in to make money, people who are into physical products, people that are in the TikTok shop, people are into any side hustle that you choose to train on and learn and teach. And you can always email this list. So say, for example, that product that you're selling of somebody else's disappears, you still have your email list. Say, for example, you just decide, hey, I don't want to do a course anymore, I want to do this. You have your email list. Or say, for example, you want to go into merch, and you have merch, and now you have a whole bunch of people who are familiar with you that you've helped. You can email them your merch. And pretty much ultimately is, you're not chasing the algorithm forever. You're building an asset that you can pretty much sell your products to, a customer base that you can sell your products to, and it gets deeper and deeper. And pretty much all you're doing is posting content, like I said, to that audience. Whether they join or not, they go on a list, and then you're just building that up and rinse and repeating and teaching the game. So I read books on marketing and sales and mindset, procrastination. What's going to happen when I read those books? It's going to help me better my skill, but it's going to help me actually come up with more product ideas for the marketplace. So it pretty much becomes this game of how many solutions can I solve? How much real value can I give? And that's pretty much what you'll be learning in the next 120 days. And it doesn't stop there, but that's how I'm going to release the information. So I'm going to show you how to sell subscriptions, show you how to use those skills on TikTok Shop. If that's something you want to do, show you how to use that on physical products in the direct sales space, show you how to build teams in the direct sales space, and then ultimately end it with showing you how to sell your own product. And I'm going to add to this thing. So ultimately, just to show you how it works. So ultimately, I'm going to build this empire, and the front runners that come into this are going to be pretty much be paying dirt cheap on this information, because you're going to be learning it as I release it. And then at the end, I'm going to take this academy of these things, these different phases of how to sell things on the internet, and then I'm going to package it into either a subscription on school, a one-time payment on school, or a yearly or a monthly and a yearly subscription on school, so I can turn it into a recurring income, or I can turn it into a one-time payment of $500, $250. It just depends how much value and how much results are coming from this information. So ultimately, you can start what I like to call printing money, because and the best thing about making money in this shape or fashion is, yes, I can go and do things that have nothing to do with selling or teaching, and I can just make the money myself, or I can get paid helping put other people in place, helping other people launch stores, sell digital products, affiliate marketing. And the best thing about making money in this shape or fashion is, yes, I can go and do things that have nothing to do with selling or teaching, and I can just make the money myself, or I can get paid helping put other people in place, helping other people launch stores, sell digital products, affiliate marketing. Even like I said, I'm going to even have modules for you guys in the direct sales, the MLM space, and how to do it right. So I can help all these people and ultimately create customer bases that will help me sell anything on the back end. Remember this, the more people you help, the more money you make. And this is a real, video on how to make money on the internet. So if you want to see your next step of everything that I just mentioned, because I have it all laid out step by step, even the community is already up, all you have to do is head to the description, press it, and you're going to see how a funnel works. But most importantly, you're going to get the information in 2 videos on how to set this up for yourself.